So, good evening.
Good evening.
All right, for the audiences, let me introduce you. You have been one of my mentees 2 years ago, who joined on my one-on-one mentorship program to get European fellowships for research program for PhD, right? It's been 2 years. You're successfully doing your PhD. Amazing. I think you're almost at the end of it because if I remember correctly, it's generally 3 to 4 years program. So let's talk a little bit about the PhD, what you're doing.
So, my PhD concerns with space science. And even in space science, I basically study how the sun interacts with the Earth's atmosphere in general. What happens exactly at the interaction zone. And to study these special effects, we have certain space missions, which are not like general space missions, which go to the moon or planets. These are missions which we called as constellation, where
Yeah.
it's not one spacecraft moving in space. It's a group of spacecrafts which coordinate with each other and move in space and scan a volume, and then we are
Okay.
trying to observe what is happening inside and picture it. So to operate and to understand the data coming from these types of missions, we have to develop different data analysis techniques which are very, very novel in nature. And this is not very old. This concept of having multiple spacecraft working together in space has just been around for around 20 years now. So it's very new in the field. So I am involved with a mission like that, where I am analyzing data coming from missions like these, especially from NASA, which is a
Mhm.
microspheric multi-scale mission, and then ESA, European Space Agency's cluster mission. So what we are doing is we are seeing legacy data from these missions and trying to understand what happens here, so that we can build more analysis techniques for future missions which are coming from NASA and ESA.
Fascinating.
So there are two missions, signature missions, a Heliosome mission, which is 9 satellite mission, which will go to the sun. Then you have a plasma observatory mission from ESA. We are working on things so that when we get data from these missions, we know how to handle these things because
Right.
it's very new. So that's my PhD, basically.
Wow. That's amazing. That's really amazing.